Good day! Tara! Solve na naman ang derivative problem. Okay? So ngayon, makikita natin itong derivative problem natin is masyadong mahaba. So split muna natin siya. We will solve this part as a red pen and this part as a blue pen. Ngayon, dito sa first part natin, meron tayong product rule. Kasi makikita natin na 1/2 secant of x times tangent of x. So ano nga ba yung product rule natin? 'Di ba? Meron tayong f times g prime, which is yung derivative natin, then f prime, and then g, which is yung derivative ng f. So ito yung f natin, so ito yung g natin. Okay? Let's solve na. So una, copy the first part, 1/2, then secant of x times itong second part na i-derivative natin, which is secant squared x. Yan ang derivative ng tangent of x. We all know that. Plus, okay, copy the second part, tangent of x. And then, ito namang first part, yung i-derivative natin. So, ano bang derivation nitong first part? Okay, so una, copy 1/2. And then, secant of x. Meron tayong secant of x, tangent of x. Yan ang derivation ng secant of x. Secant of x, tangent of x. Okay? So, dito naman tayo sa second part. Plus 1/2 ln. Okay. Paano nga ba ulit? Pag and note na kapag meron tayong ln, given tayo ng ln of x squared, ang derivation yan is 1 over x squared, which is ito, kakopy lang. And then, parang chain rule siya kasi times the derivative of the inside. X squared is 2x. Ngayon, meron tayong 2x. Kasi makakancel tong x, and 2x. Okay? So, parang ganun lang siya. Pero, ipa-product rule natin kasi meron tayong 1/2. Okay? So, ito muna. Copy the first part. Ano yung first part? Ito, 1/2. 1/2 and then ln. Okay? I-derivative natin siya. So, ln, diba? Yung kanina ginawa natin. Secant x plus tangent of x, 1. Ngayon, we have the derivative, the inside, which is secant of x at tangent of x. Secant of x is secant x tangent of x. Plus, derivative na itong tangent is secant raised to 2x. Okay? Plus, ito naman, gagawin natin to. However, the integration naman nito is just 0. 0 siya, di ba? So, kapag kinopy din natin yan, magiging 0. So, cancel na natin siya. So, ngayon, anong next part? Pagko-combine natin. Pero dito, we can see na pwede siyang i-factor. Okay? So, this will be tangent of x plus secant of x, secant of x. Ngayon, itong part na to and part na to is same. So, pwede natin siyang i-cancel. Okay? Cancel. So, ito na yung matitira. 1/2 secant of x. Okay? And then, dito naman, gawin na natin siyang red. 1/2 secant of raised to 3 kasi multiplied. And then dito, multiply natin silang lahat. Meron tayong 1/2 secant of x tangent raised to 2x. Yan. So, ito na yung pinaka-function natin. Itong tatlo. So, idikit natin siya. Yan. So, gamit na tayo ng block kasi pag sama-sama na natin sila, basic na lang yan. Ngayon, makikita natin na meron silang 1/2 secant of x, 1/2 secant of x, and 1/2 secant of x. So, pwede natin siyang ma-factor. Okay? So, dito natin sulat 1/2 secant of x. Factored out na yan, guys. Secant of squared x plus tangent of squared x plus 1. Kasi pag distribute natin tong 1/2 secant of x is, yung sagot na kakalabasan niya is ito, nasa taas. Okay? And then note, meron tayong trigonometric identity. Okay? Or Pythagorean identities. Mga ganon, di ba? Tatandaan nyo. Na sinasabi dito na kapag ang tangent of squared x plus 1 is equivalent siya sa secant of 2x. Okay. So, ito, pwede natin siyang mapalitan. Ay, palitan natin siya. Secant of 2x plus secant of 2x and then 1/2. So, we all need to do is math. Ay, algebra na lang to. 2 secant of 2x 1/2 secant of x, then makakancel tong 2. Ang sagot natin is secant of x, okay, times secant of 2x. So, ang pinakasagot is just secant of raised to 3, secant raised to 3. Okay. So, that's our final answer. Thank you.